Hello and welcome to this series of videos about SDF. SDF stands for Simple Dependency Injection Framework. First of all, what is dependency injection? To understand that, let's first take a look at an example scenario. So in this, we have a demo service interface which is implemented by demo service IMPL that depends on two other classes, that is service A and service B. And service B again depends on service C. So if we want to instantiate demo service with demo service IMPL, we would have to do something like this. First, demo service equals to new demo service IMPL. As we have seen, it depends on two other classes, service A and service B. And service B again depends on service C. So let's initialize them. Service C equals to new service C. Service B equals new service B, and pass the instance of C, and then service A equals new service A, and pass both A and B instances in demo service IMPL. So we had to manually initialize the classes as per its dependency order. Instead of manually instantiating the classes as per the dependency order, wouldn't it be helpful if a framework does that for us? That way, this class would be loosely coupled with other classes, that is, its dependencies. Well, a dependency injection framework exactly does that. A dependency injection is a programming technique which helps in decoupling objects dependent on other objects. It's based on the concept of inversion of control, which states that objects should receive their dependent objects from an external source instead of creating them by their own. This process is fundamentally the inverse of the object itself controlling the instantiation of its dependencies. Now, why do we need dependency injection? Well, a dependency injection or DI helps in writing less boilerplate code, which makes the code cleaner as well. DI makes the objects decoupled with their dependencies, hence the code becomes easy to refactor, and also it is easy to test, especially when dependencies are on abstract classes or interfaces, which allows usage of mocked implementation in the unit tests. So coming back to SDF and how it helps. Well, it's a framework written in Java that helps injecting dependencies in Java applications. As the name says, it's simple to use, which we will see in the next series of videos understanding different features of SDF. It supports injection of both static and dynamic dependencies, that is, dependencies that can be provided at the runtime. Apart from dependency injection, it also supports invoking methods dynamically, resolving and injecting any dependency the method has. We will see how later in the series. Last but not the least, SDF is a singular library and does not require any other dependencies in the class path to use SDF, as it does not depend on any dependencies. In the next series of videos, we will know about all the features of SDF. Until then, happy learning and happy coding.